Hello traders and welcome. In this video, Florian will walk you through all the powerful features of our Excel Pro Trading Analytics template, version 1.6.
Thanks, Amanda. All features are already listed on the description page. We also provide a user guide. Please contact us after your purchase and script activation to receive your copy of the template. Now let's move on to the MetaTrader platform. Our template can analyze three types of data: your real or demo trading history, your EA backtest results, including any EA from the market, and even trading signals from MQL5. To export your real or demo trading history, just drag the script onto your chart. Then, give the file any name you like, choose the date range you want, and make sure to set a starting balance. This will ensure the dashboard shows correct metrics and statistics. After you click OK, a CSV file will be exported. To find it, go to File in MetaTrader, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Then open the MQL5 folder, and inside the Files folder you will see your exported file. Copy the file to your Windows desktop for easy access. Then go to the template, open the trade sheet, and with just one click upload the data from the file. For this tutorial, I already have merged backtest data from the scalp-unscalp EA. We'll use this data as an example to show you how the template works with trading signals. After that, don't forget to click the Update Data button. The template will then add all the extra columns automatically. Now, let me show you how to export backtest data for your EA, or for any tested EA from the market. For this tutorial, we'll use our send order backtest. This EA opens one trade per day at a fixed time, based on the settings, and it also applies some filters. Go to the backtest section in the strategy tester, right-click, and select Report to open XML. An Excel sheet will open containing the EA's settings, statistics, and executed trades. You need to copy the trades from the Deals section, which contains all the data required for our trade sheet. To do this, start from Deal 2, do not select the first row, as it only contains the balance. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus right to select the row, then Ctrl plus Shift plus down to select all the desired data, excluding the last row, which contains the final balance and realized profits. Next, paste the copied data into the MT5 backtest convert sheet, replacing the old data while keeping the headers in row 1 intact. Before converting it to the trade sheet, it's a good idea to do a quick check of the data. Our VBA script will then modify the backtest data to match the column structure of the trade sheet. Another great feature in our latest update, Merge to Portfolio, allows you to combine multiple backtest results into a single portfolio. All trades are sorted chronologically, balances are recalculated from a single starting point, and entry and exit points remain perfectly aligned. In this tutorial we merged three backtest results, just copy one by one in the sheet like we did before. In the merge processes you will be asking to add starting balance. Now, let's move on to uploading trading signals from the MQL5 page. I usually do this to review EA signals, analyze the strategies they use, and check whether they are consistent or employ any suspect methods to boost performance. To upload the signals history, go to Trading History, scroll down to Export CSV History, click it, and then save the file to your desktop or any preferred location. You can rename the file using the name of the signal, or leave it as is. You can download the updated signal history anytime and analyze it in just a few clicks. Next, go to MT5 Signal Convert Sheet and import the saved CSV file. The process is the same for the MT4 version. Then, click on the Convert Sheet to clean the data and prepare it for the trade sheet. Before doing that, check the Deposit Withdrawals sheet to detect suspicious deposit behavior. Some traders inject deposits after losses to hide drawdowns and maintain a high balance. These deposits are automatically detected and highlighted. The conversion process may take some time depending on the size of the data and your PC's performance. Wait until it's complete, then click OK to load the clean data into your trade sheet. Again, check your data, then click Update Date. Now, let's move on to analyzing the data, starting with the dashboard. First, update the balance to ensure it's correct. You can zoom in or out to adjust the view and focus on the desired interval. Then, move to the right to update the tables, which display monthly growth percentages. This growth tracker displays ROI by month and year, with a compounded total that follows MQL5's logic, providing a clear view of long-term performance and equity evolution. You'll also see the top 10 best and worst trades based on profit, date, and symbol, perfect for reviewing key moments and identifying patterns in your strategy. Review the summary statistics, which include advanced, professional metrics. Unlike other platforms, our analysis incorporates important metrics derived from professional formulas, often used only by professional traders. Conditional formatting highlights positive metrics in green and negative in red, providing an immediate visual assessment of performance. There's also an extra table displaying drawdowns, annualized returns, trading days, and other key performance metrics. The table also includes trading costs, total withdrawals and deposits, and the cost-impact ratio. These statistics are used exclusively when analyzing signals or real trading history. Another special feature is the Trade Quality Scorecard, which evaluates the trading metrics from the dashboard and provides insights and ratings on your performance, drawdown, trading style, and more. Best versus Worst Trade Summary automatically identifies best and worst trades, drawdowns, trading styles, strategies, etc. Also includes visual chart summaries for clearer insights, along with an account overview showing overall consistency, returns versus drawdown, and withdrawals versus deposits with trading costs, especially useful when analyzing trading signals. The consistency metrics chart must first be updated from the consistency sheet to ensure you have the latest consistency rating. The overall score in the consistency sheet should match the score displayed in the chart. If it doesn't, that means the chart hasn't been updated yet. Now, let's move on to the feature most disliked by non-serious traders and some signal providers, the Suspect Trading Behavior Detector. It automatically identifies hidden risk strategies such as martingale, hedging, floating drawdowns, grid systems, and sudden deposits after drawdowns, helping you spot potential manipulation. As you can see, several suspect trades are detected. The EA appears to use a grid system, banned by most prop firms, or a strategy based on support and resistance with multiple entries at similar prices. Some trades show floating drawdowns that were later closed with small profits, relying on the hope that the market would reverse to secure a high win rate. Additionally, many trades exhibit a low risk-reward ratio combined with high volume. Moving now to the chart section, you'll find multiple charts displaying balance and profit trends, both by date and by individual trades. A drawdown chart is also provided, allowing you to evaluate the drawdown for each trade as well as the overall maximum drawdown. Profit and loss are also displayed both as a percentage, ROI of the initial balance, and in absolute terms, in dollars or the account's base currency. This clearly shows profits versus losses by date, allowing you to compare average winning trades against average losing trades. It also helps you identify periods when the strategy performed well and periods when it delivered weaker results. Next, go to the Filters and Charts sheet. Start by refreshing all data to load the traded symbols and the right trading periods. Wait a moment until the refresh is complete. Now you can start filtering the trading history by date. Choose year for an overall analysis, quarter or month for medium-term insights, and even day for detailed short-term analysis. This depends on the range of data you have, but most of the time I start with a month-by-month analysis, then review the results by quarter and finally by year. On the left side, you'll find slicers that let you filter by a single symbol or use multi-select to analyze multiple markets and compare their results. You can also filter by order type, buy, sell, or both, by results, winning or losing trades, by execution type, algo or manual, and even by strategy type if comments are provided with the orders. On the left side, you'll find charts that are fully connected to the filters, so they update dynamically based on your selections. These charts provide total trades by duration, helping you identify the trading style. Profit by holding time, showing how long trades are typically kept open and their profitability. Volume and number of trades, useful for spotting inconsistent lot sizes. Average holding time by trade count to evaluate trade management. Trade and profit distribution by symbol, revealing the most traded and most profitable symbols. Entries and profits by hour, allowing deeper analysis to identify the most profitable trading times. By selecting a symbol, the table displays key statistics, and the charts update instantly to show the visual performance. The same interactive behavior applies to all other filters. Click on Alt+S to use the multi-select, and Alt+C to clear the filter. For swing and long-term traders, it's possible to filter and compare performance on a quarter-by-quarter basis. The consistency sheet is an excellent feature. I call it 3D consistency. Unlike typical consistency checked by prop firms that only consider trade size and profits, ours provides a visual dashboard measuring 4 consistency's key metrics: lot size, profits, drawdowns, and trade duration. The sheet also detects abnormal trades, delivers evaluation scores, and offers actionable advice. Overall trading consistency is highlighted, a critical factor for succeeding in prop firm challenges and maintaining funded accounts. The analyzed signal shows that lot size is moderately consistent at 50%, with no abnormal volumes detected beyond 4 times the average. However, several trades have profits exceeding 4 times the average. These abnormal trades are listed along with the trade number and the degree of abnormality, so you can review them directly in the trade sheet. The same analysis applies to drawdown and holding time. Some trades exhibit abnormal floating drawdowns, and many trades are held for longer periods than usual. As mentioned, you can examine abnormal trades in more detail within the trade sheet by using the row number or column AA, which contains the trade numbers. You can check the lot size before and after profits and drawdowns. Conditional bar formatting in the trade sheet makes it easy to visually identify abnormal trades. The same procedure applies to suspect trades. In the dashboard, you'll see the detected suspect strategies along with the row number, so you can verify them in the trade sheet. If you analyze your own trading history, these alerts serve as a learning notes to identify mistakes and avoid repeating them in the future. Everyone makes mistakes, but what matters is learning from them. The most critical ones to avoid are those related to risk management and high-risk strategies. Now, let's move on to the Monte Carlo analysis sheet. This tool simulates thousands of random trade sequences based on your strategy's historical performance, allowing you to test best and worst-case scenarios, evaluate the risk of ruin, and assess strategy robustness under different market conditions. Enter the number of simulations in cell B1. More simulations provide more accurate results. Enter the initial balance for backtests or, for trading signals, use the formula on the right to calculate the correct starting balance. Enter the percentage of skipped trades to simulate real-world conditions, such as missed trades due to connection issues or being away from the market. Then, click the Run button and wait until the analysis is complete. The table and chart are now updated, showing confidence levels, profits, and drawdowns. On the left, you'll find important notes. The confidence level indicates the probability that your future performance will be the same or better than the corresponding value. For example, a 90% confidence level means there's a 90% chance your actual performance will match or exceed this result, while a 100% confidence level represents the worst-case scenario observed during the simulations. Observe how net profit decreases across the confidence levels while drawdown increases. This demonstrates the range from the best to the worst possible scenarios. Focus on comparing the original results in the dashboard with the 90% and 100% confidence levels. You can run multiple analyses with different numbers of simulations if needed. Next, let's explore another powerful feature: what-if analysis. This tool lets you test hypothetical scenarios by adjusting or removing specific trades. You can exclude certain hours, days, or months, as well as unusually large profits or losses, and modify lot sizes. The script then compares the original results with the adjusted ones, displaying balance curves both by individual trades and over time. To filter specific trading hours, separate each hour with a comma. You can also filter by long or short trades, and more. This feature encourages you to train yourself to avoid bad habits. For example, excluding trades during unfavorable times or removing large losing trades caused by floating drawdowns, not using stop losses or hoping for a market recovery. As you can see, when no filters are applied, the results remain the same. This confirms that our script is working correctly and properly excludes only the trades selected by the filters. You can also check the filters and charts sheet to identify the best and worst trading hours, then exclude them from the analysis to test their impact on overall performance. The chart displays only the trades included in the what-if analysis. At first glance, the curve may appear to rise above the original. However, when you check the final balance, you'll notice the original strategy remains higher because the excluded trades, in this example, the most profitable trading hours, are not counted. The what-if table lists 1,742 trades, compared to the original total of 2,039 trades. You can also exclude trades for a specific day and then compare the results in the table to see the impact. In addition, you can set a maximum number of trades per day, which helps simulate scenarios such as avoiding overtrading or controlling daily risk exposure. You can also adjust the lot size to test different risk scenarios. For example, you can double the average lot to see how much profit potential increases, or reduce it to evaluate the level of risk and expected returns with more conservative sizing. You can even simulate smaller account balances, such as starting with $5,000 or $500, to see how your strategy would perform under tighter capital conditions. In this example, we applied a smaller lot size than the average, which naturally resulted in a lower final balance. This shows how reducing risk also reduces potential profits, a clear trade-off between safety and growth. The average lot size in this backtest is 2.1 lots. Now, let's see what happens if we double it to 5 lots. As expected, both profits and drawdowns increase significantly. This scenario demonstrates the higher reward potential but also the greater risk exposure that comes with trading larger positions. We've also included a special risk calculator, which helps you determine the optimal position size. You can choose between the adjusted Kelly formula for maximizing long-term growth or set a custom risk percentage per trade. The calculator also estimates the required margin based on the selected lot size, giving you a clear view of both the potential and the risk before entering a trade. The calculator automatically uses your current trading metrics, such as win rate and risk-reward ratio, along with your current balance, detected in real time, to estimate the optimal lot size for the next trade. This ensures the calculation is always aligned with your latest performance and account size. Buy once, analyze forever. Our trading analytics template keeps evolving with continuous improvements, and we're open to adding special features upon request. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!